Hey, audio reviews down under back. I thought I'd just do a quick first impression video today. Just got the Juzear clear in just yesterday. Only been listening to it for a few hours since getting it. I have it on the stock cable, which I got in 4.4. At the moment I have a set of medium reversed final E tips on there. I've been trying out a few different reverse final E tips and reverse to Venus tips, which I've liked for the fact that they give the clear a better sound stage, and they sound a little bit wider. Here I have a large final E and a large to Venus, which I've reversed. I've got a pair of mediums on the clear at the moment, which just fit a little better than the large with the reverse mod. I found that the reverse mod gives them just a little bit of sound stage and a little bit of sub bass too, which is actually better with the large reversed final E tips. But the mediums still work pretty good. I lost a little definition in the sub bass, but it's still very clear and sounds quite nice. The Juzear clear just look amazing in person. Like I don't think my camera could give them the proper let's see if I can get a decent view there. I have posted some photos on my Facebook page, which is also audio reviews down under. If you want to check out some photos of the Juzear clear. I have been streaming Tidal from the XDO XP2 Balanced and the Truthia Shio. I've heard both of them in high gain, which gives the bass and the lower mids just a little bit more bite and just a little more control. It just sounds just a little bit cleaner and a little bit punchier, and just gives that sub bass just a little bit extra thickness. The sub bass is really amazing on these. Like, it's some of the cleanest sub bass and the best extension I've heard on any IMs. The mids and the treble are quite nice too. Overall, they sound fairly natural. I'm gonna get into like a full review in the next week or two, but yeah, I just thought I'd share a quick little first impressions and what I've done with them so far. Tips wise, still using the stock cable, which I did get in a 4.4. That's a brilliant cable, by the way. It's the best cable by far I've got with any IMs. Even the Lecture S12 Pro, although it is a nice cable, though I didn't particularly like the ear hooks on that. They're a little too sharp. Kind of, they don't. The ear hooks on the Juzear clear cable are, as you can see, just a little bit better. Makes them quite nice to wear with the stock cable. Yeah, about all I kind of wanted to touch on. They are very versatile. I've listened to metal, hip hop, jazz, some nice vocal tracks from Aurora and Lana Del Rey, as well as some dark electro, some industrial electro, just to kind of run the gamut of some of the genres I listen to, and they absolutely just handle everything like a champ. I think I'll leave it there for now, and I'll get into a full review soon. Just wanted to just give you guys a little first impressions video, and what I've thought of them so far. I've quite enjoyed them. Anyway, yeah. So that's all for now. I have been streaming on the Surface, Windows Surface as well, with the Shio attached, which sounds quite good as well. Anyway, I'll leave it there for now, and I'll be back with a full review of the Clear pretty soon. Like I said, I've only had about a day listening to them, and I haven't really sat down and nitpicked every little kind of aspect of them, but I have been enjoying them quite a bit, quite natural, and like I said, they have great sub bass, possibly the best I've heard in any IM so far, well, that's about it for now. If you do want to see a full review, I will be uploading a full review in the next week or two, so stick around for that, and I'll be back soon. I've also got the KZ Caster on the way, as well as the Super TFC Queen and the He-Dee's MS1 Galaxy, so I'll be doing reviews of those as well, so if you guys want to check those out, I'll be uploading those as soon as I actually have them. They're still on the way, but I'll be doing a review of those in the next few weeks. So stay tuned. I'm out. Have a good week, everyone.